Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In today's video we're opening up the beauty box by Bombay Cedar. I'm guessing this is the September box. Their boxes have been coming late and it's the beginning of October, so pretty sure. So this is a beauty subscription that is all cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty, and I absolutely love it. This box costs $31.95 and there's free shipping in the US. It does ship elsewhere worldwide, but depending on your country there will be a shipping charge. So I will link Bombay Cedar down below. They also have a lifestyle subscription, which I absolutely love, so I'll link my latest unboxing there, and I do have a code to save 10% on that one. But before we get unboxing, I just want to take a quick moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes, and I open them every single day here on our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. But let's get this box open. I don't know if you saw the label before, but I always really love it. It's so pretty. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. There is a card on top and all of the items are in a bag. Super pretty, like lavender color. I think it's got a different color each month. And yeah, I was right, this is the September box. So the card matches the outer packaging, and on the inside it tells you the theme, shows the items, and gives the value. So the theme is Flower Child, non-conventional essentials for your beauty routine. And the total value for the box is $110. Let's get started. I like how they send it in this drawstring bag so you can reuse it. Oh, there's something really big in here. Let's do this one first. Cool, I've never even heard of these before. 300 charcoal swabs, so like Q-tips, but they're charcoal. And activated charcoal infused swabs. The coal activated charcoal infused swabs are made with 100% cotton. The flexible plastic stem makes it easy to gently clean delicate areas. Ideal for all your beauty needs. Interesting. I use Q-tips all the time, but I never heard of this. It says these can be used for blending eyeshadow, nail polish touch-ups, brow shaping, concealing blemishes. So are you able to use these in your ears too? So I guess the charcoal in it minimizes pores, detoxifies, and removes impurities. So these are like beauty specific. So awesome. I'll keep these in my beauty room and keep my other, like, I guess regular cotton swabs, like Q-tips, in my bathroom. So these are $12, and I think this is so interesting. Have you guys used these before? Cool. Oh, it is really like non-conventional stuff in here. Yes, I need these, and oh my gosh, you guys, these match my outfit like exactly right now. I need to do my nails, I haven't yet. And these are some press-on. They're Insta-Gel nail strips, and look at, like, they match my dress exactly. Guess I have to keep this on today. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are by Nana Coco Professional. So I had some gel ones, like the gel nail strips on my nails for like weeks, and I just took them off the other day. They last forever. These are so cute and fun. Like, I just love how they look. Hopefully you guys can see, and the lighting isn't reflecting too much. Yeah, it says lasts up to 14 days, no drying time, easy to apply and remove, waterproof. Yeah, it's so true. If these are similar to the ones I just used, these are great. I'm so excited. So it looks like you could have gotten these in a variety of like patterns, at least it looks like in the photo, and they are $10. I'm so excited. This looks different. What? This is Bonbon Facial Polish, Guava, and Passion Fruit. At first I thought this was something like edible. Doesn't it look like it? So, oh, it looks like they might be like shaped like hearts. Let's see. The safety seal, let's get it open. Yeah, cute. It smells good too. So, super cute, purple heart. So how does this work? It says cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, nourish. Bonbon's facial polish hearts with nourishing herbal extracts are formulated for various skin types to exfoliate and hydrate the skin, instantly revealing a softer, smoother, more radiant complexion. Each delectable looking heart is carefully handcrafted in small batches and is perfect size for single use. It says you can use this 3 to 4 times a week or as needed. Oh my god, I'm excited to use these, and they're so cute. Look, they look good in my bathroom. So these are $28, and it looks like they have a variety of like fragrances too. So again, I got guava and passion fruit, and I like it. And there's still 3 things left, you guys. Next up, this is by Zabana Essentials, or Zabana, 100% natural and vegan cosmetics, blemish drying lotion. I use these every night. This is French green clay and zinc. Well, I should say every night I have a breakup, but I feel like I always have a little blemish on my face, like I'm battling one right here. And these like spot treatments really help dry out your pimple. You don't put it all over because it just targets that area, and drying it out, like I swear, lessens the time. So a blemish drying lotion that treats, heals blemishes, reduces redness, inflammation, and irritation. So you just dip a cotton swab into the sediment in here. Like right now mine's all mixed up. You would want it to sit and let the sediment settle, and then you stick your swab in there and you just wear it overnight. So it looks weird, but you know, you're just going to bed. And this is a retail value of $12. Next we have an item here from 100% Pure. It's their Fruit Pigmented Pomegranate Oil Anti-Aging Lipstick. And this is in Poppy Coquelicot, or is that a different language for poppy? I don't know. Probably totally butchered that either way. Oh, cute. There's some wrapping over it. Let me get it off so we can look at it. Oh wow, this lipstick is $30. That's crazy. It has anti-aging in it, so it's like skincare and lipstick in one. The packaging is really cute. I'll show you in just a second if I can get this off. Now let's look at it. Ooh, very red. Let's do a swatch. I don't know why I wanted to smell it. It kind of does smell good. Like fruity. It's very soft and creamy and shiny. I like how this looks. It's like glossy looking almost. So nice. I'm excited to try this. So I guess the skincare in it is pomegranate oil and shea butter to keep lips soft and supple, and it's colored with antioxidant rich fruit pigments. Our last item looks like another makeup item by May Culture, Playful Pink Blush. This kit includes 50 blush sheets, 1 sponge applicator, 5 layers of adhesive, and 1 mirror. Oh, remember when we got those highlighting sheets? I wonder if this is similar to that. So here's like the packet, and it has some instructions on the back. Oh, and you can see the color there. So it says how to use, gently remove protective paper from applicator sponge to reveal adhesive. Press the sponge applicator with adhesive side down to pick up the sheet, and dab along the cheek line to transfer color. Oh. So there's this little pad here. This seems nice. And here are the sheets. Let me put some on my hand. Ooh, it's like a really nice light pink. You can see it there. And you can get multi-uses out of these, and I guess you blend it with this. I'll have to play around with it. But I really like that shade. And it seems like it could be a little bit buildable, but awesome. This is like different. I think they did really well like sticking to their theme, and honestly, this is like one of my favorite boxes by them. What do you guys think? I think it's great. So we got lipstick, blush sheets, like totally different. Never tried anything like that. Super cute gel nail strips, which I need. Charcoal swabs, like an exfoliating wash, and then a drying treatment, which I think is great they put this in here because I don't know if everyone uses those, but they should. I think they're really helpful. But I absolutely love this box. I would love to hear your opinions down below, and if you guys get this too, did you get anything different than I did, like a different scent in the facial polish, I guess I should call it, or lipstick shade or nail shade or anything? I would love to hear from you. Even if you don't get this box, I would love to hear your thoughts. So thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. And special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you could read the perks and also join. I would absolutely love it if you did. I would love to get to know you more in our live chats for members only, but if not, no worries. Just by being here and watching is super supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.